Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into something that's changing our world. Artificial intelligence, or AI.
That sounds exciting, Bill. But can you start by giving us a brief overview of what AI actually is?
Absolutely, Laura. At its core, AI focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of things like decision-making, speech recognition, and even visual perception.
Interesting. So, how did we get here? What's the history behind AI?
Great question. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s. It kicked off when visionaries like Alan Turing proposed ideas about machines thinking. Fast forward to the 60s and 70s, researchers began developing the first programs aimed at simulating human-like reasoning.
Wow, that's a long time ago. And what progress has been made since then?
A massive amount. The field has evolved significantly. We've seen everything from simple rule-based systems to the advanced machine learning algorithms we have today.
Speaking of machine learning, I've heard that it's a major part of AI. Can you break that down for us?
Sure. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's where algorithms learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. For example, by analyzing thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, a machine can learn to distinguish between the two.
That sounds pretty powerful. Are there other subfields within AI that we should know about?
Definitely. There's natural language processing, which deals with how machines understand and respond to human language. Then we have robotics, which combines AI with physical machines, and computer vision, which allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual input.
Wow, that's a broad spectrum, but I've also heard of symbolic AI. How does that fit into all of this?
Symbolic AI, also known as good old-fashioned AI, involves using symbols and rules to represent knowledge and solve problems. It contrasts with modern neural networks which mimic how our brains work.
That makes sense. Now, AI sounds amazing, but I assume there are ethical concerns as well?
You're right, Laura. The rise of AI brings up significant ethical implications. Issues like privacy, bias in algorithms, job displacement, and decision-making accountability are hot topics in discussions around AI.
That sounds pretty serious. Do you think society is adapted to the changes AI is bringing?
It's a mixed bag. Some sectors are embracing these advancements, while others are struggling to keep up. It's essential to have discussions about how we can use AI responsibly.
And what about the future of AI? Where do you see it heading?
Many experts believe that AI will continue to advance and integrate into various aspects of our lives. We might see more intelligent healthcare systems, improved automation in industries, and even smarter virtual assistants.
That sounds incredible. But what challenges do we face in the development and regulation of AI?
One major challenge is figuring out how to regulate AI technologies effectively. We need rules that ensure AI is developed and used ethically while still allowing innovation to flourish.
So, it's about finding the right balance, right?
Exactly. The best-case scenario involves collaboration between governments, industries, and researchers to establish standards that protect society while encouraging positive advancements in AI.
That's a lot to think about. If someone wants to learn more about AI, where should they start?
A great starting point is the Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence. It offers a comprehensive overview, touching on history, subfields, and the challenges we face.
Perfect. I love that everything is in one place.
Right? It's a treasure trove of information. Plus, there are many online courses and resources that can give beginners a solid foundation in AI concepts.
Bill, this has been incredibly enlightening. Any final thoughts for our viewers?
Just remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's up to us how we choose to use it. Let's aim for a future where AI benefits everyone.
Well said. Thanks for sharing your knowledge, Bill.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time.
See you all soon.